Whitney Cummings breaks down in tears while evacuating home due to wildfires. Comedian Whitney Cummings shared a heartbreaking moment with her fans as she was forced to evacuate her home due to the raging wildfires in her area. In a powerful and emotional video, Cummings tearfully explained how difficult it was for her to leave, expressing a deep sense of loss and uncertainty during an already tense time. Standing in front of her car with her belongings packed up, Cummings let her emotions show as she reflected on the devastating situation. "It's just so hard to leave everything behind," she said, holding back tears while still trying to reassure her followers that she would stay safe. The video quickly went viral, with fans and fellow celebrities sending their well wishes and offering support during such a tough moment. Many fans praised Cummings for her raw honesty in sharing such a personal and vulnerable experience, providing a glimpse into the emotional toll that natural disasters take on individuals. Her followers expressed their concern for her safety, with some sharing their own stories of being affected by wildfires as the fires rage on. This touching moment from Cummings serves as a reminder of the challenges people face during times of crisis and the emotional weight that evacuations can have, especially when homes and belongings are at risk.